Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to look at a very practical feature in EasyEDA PCB. Batch delete objects. When working on a PCB, we often need to clean up certain elements. Maybe we want to reroute some traces, reorganize the layout, or the design has changed and we need to remove previous content. Doing this by deleting each item one by one can be really time-consuming. That's where this feature comes in. It helps us quickly and accurately remove target objects, making the whole process much more efficient. The operation is very simple. First, go to the top menu bar and open Edit. Then choose Delete Objects. This will bring up a window called Delete Selected Objects. Here, you can check the type of object you want to remove, such as tracks, wheels, paths, text, cover areas, and many others. For example, let's select track here. The system will automatically match all objects with the same characters, which is perfect for batch cleanup. Once you select the types you want to delete, click Confirm. All matching objects will be instantly removed from the canvas. Overall, this tool gives us much more flexibility when adjusting a PCB design. Whether you want to delete a single category of elements or clear multiple similar objects in bulk, it can all be done effortlessly, greatly improving your design efficiency.